In this module, you will learn about the consequences of traffic accident. The fact: one accident occurs in the UAE every 2 minutes and 40 seconds. It could be either a major or a minor accident. Research has proven 96% of the accidents take place due to human error. It means that these 96% of accidents are preventable accidents. Try to avoid an accident by obeying the traffic rules, reducing distraction, and showing courtesy, kindness, and a positive attitude while driving. Traffic accidents, consequences. The consequences of any accident are always bad, whether it is a major accident or a minor one. It is very important to understand such consequences as there may be: fatalities, serious injuries, vehicle damage, property damage, problems occurring from vehicle insurance, vehicle reparation, and fines. To avoid these consequences, you must drive carefully to be safe. Being a safe driver, always follow rules and regulations and use the vehicle safety features appropriately.